Alright, so just a quick little video today. We got our first decent little snow of the year in northeast Ohio. It's right after Thanksgiving 2023, and sometimes we get these little Arctic blasts. We get some snow. It's called lake effect. It comes off of Lake Erie, which is still warm, and we get a blast of cold air from Canada, and goes across that warm Lake Erie water and dumps right off on us in Cleveland. I mean, we're like, I don't know, 10 miles away from the lake. So that's what we get. If you guys in other parts of the world or the country have ever heard of lake effect, this is going to be it. A little bit further away from us, they're going to get about 16 inches. We're expected to get, I don't know, 4 to 8. We're right by the airport. So Cleveland Hopkins. So anyway, I got this ATV, and I got a plow on it. Let's go take a look and see the plow and a little setup on it, see how that works. So let me turn this off. All right, so we got the ATV. It's just it's a I don't know, 2006 Suzuki Vincent. It's a 4x4 500, so it's a decent size, not the biggest but not the smallest. And here's the plow that it came with. The little setup here. So if you guys are thinking about getting one of these, they're super handy. They have this little electric winch right here, and it's basically, you know, connected to the front of the ATV, and then there's a pivot point underneath here. So right here, and then over on the other side, literally 2 bolts, and then that just swings up and down. So I just keep it stored underneath the trailer here, and when the winter time comes, come put those little bolts on there and underneath, and then go ahead and hook up the little winch, and has a little control on the front, which is right there. So you go up and down, and pretty simple. So it's got a big, you know, rocker switch on it for up and down, so when you're wearing gloves, it's pretty easy to handle. This is all used. It's not my setup. It's kind of worn, so but it still works. So let's check it out. she does a pretty good job, you know, I think. And takes a little bit of time, but you know, cleared out my little driveway here. And then this is a one-way street, so the snowplow always dumps it right in our drive. So I kind of put it in a little bank there off the road. So in case you were wondering, no, I'm not just putting it on the street. I'm actually pushing it off the side of the road. And it's actually better for the plows because they come down this way and they push all that snow back on my drive, so it doesn't really serve any purpose. So I get all that stuff down there and out of the way, and that's better for everybody, including the snowplow guys. You know, because they got to worry about, you know, damaging their machines and stuff. They can't see the curbs, that kind of stuff. But yeah, living in Ohio is awesome. Not sure where everybody's from. Put that in the comments if you want. But this is the kind of stuff that you get like in early November, December, especially January, February. We get lots of snow. But we love it. Love it. It's beautiful. And pretty soon we're going to have some more videos on trail cams and stuff. The foxes should be getting together. It's been breeding season for sure for the deer. The rut, I've seen a lot of bucks. So I'm going to put a series out on the trail cam series. And so check out that trail cam series. I had a whole year of recording all the animals that are behind our little house here. And as you can see, you know, this just a, you know, regular urban suburban neighborhood near Cleveland, and you're going to be amazed at the amount of animal life that we have back in there. Big, huge bucks, does like you wouldn't believe. Little guys like squirrels and stuff like that. Lots of raccoons. They're not out now because it's cold and they go into that semi-hibernation torpor or whatever. But all kinds of stuff. Foxes, coyotes, all kinds of stuff. So I bought a couple cheap trail cams. I'm going to be doing a series on that, putting those together. So check that out. And they appear really good in the snow. You can see the contrast in them. And it's definitely going to be their mating season right now. So they're going to be denning and stuff. And we'll probably have some more fox kits and stuff like that in the springtime. So anyhow, short little video for today. Just doing my snow plowing and getting the ATV and the plow mounted, and that'll be that for the winter. I'm not taking that off until the spring. So, all right, take care, guys. Have a nice day. Hey, real quick, if you enjoyed that kind of content, or if you enjoy my videos at all, if they help you, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We're real close to getting to 1,000. I think we're at like about 630 subscribers now. So that extra little push to hitting that subscribe button will be like greatly appreciated. Doesn't cost you anything, and I try to upload content regularly, so if you get the subscribe button and hit that bell, you'll get a notification to see this kind of content in the future. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.